Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the ethanol and methanol. So first one we will discuss the physical property of ethanol. So the melting point of ethanol is 156 Kelvin while the boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Ethanol is a good solvent, so it is used in the cough syrup, iodine tincture, which is used in the injury or when we get wound, and alcoholic beverage and drinks and medicine. Then student we will discuss about the chemical property of ethanol. You can see here when sodium react with the ethanol, so and any metal will react with the ethanol, so it react with the metal and form the sodium ethoxide if the sodium is there. Yes, so with the metal it form the ethoxide and hydrogen gas get released. And if we use ethanol, yes, and treat in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, so it get convert into the ethene and water get released. Because in this reaction water is getting released, so that this reaction is known as dehydration reaction, and H2SO4 in this reaction is dehydrating agent. So student, these two property are the important of the ethanol. Then we'll discuss here about the difference between the ethanol and methanol. So student, about the ethanol, on the consumption of ethanol, our metabolic processes, and we feel the mental confusion and drowsiness. These all the factors are because of the depression in the central nervous system. So because of that, we feel the metabolic process and mental confusion and feel drowsiness, and also that we'll see that muscular coordination get disturbed. So because of that, uh, because of these symptoms, finally the person get unconscious, and this ethanol is harmful for our body. Then student will discuss about the methanol. Methanol is dangerous, lethal. Because of the consumption of methanol, the person may die. So how the person will die due to the consumption of methanol? So when we consume the methanol, so this methanol get oxidized into the methanol and get then what will happen, the protoplasm of liver cell get coagulated, and which damage the liver. So because of that, damage of liver cause death of the person. If some person we consume a less amount of the methanol, so we'll see the person will become blind because of damaging of optic nerve. Yes, this is the about the methanol. Then student, the important note here, when we mix the alcohol into the petrol, so it will become cleaner fuel. Why? Because it give only the carbon dioxide on the burning. So because of that, nowadays in many cities and the country, this cleaner fuel is used. Then student, we will discuss here the properties of the ethanoic acid. So melting point of ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin while the boiling point of ethanoic acid is 391 Kelvin. And we make the vinegar from the ethanoic acid when we use 5 to 8% of ethanoic acid into the 92 to 95% of water, so it get converted into the vinegar which is used in the pickles. Yes, then student, if we talk about the pure ethanoic acid, so these mostly get freeze during the winter and the cold climates. So because of this property, we known as uh, we say it the glacial acetic acid. Then student here, this acetic acid is the weak acetic acid. Why? Because it does not get ionized completely. Then student will see here the chemical property of the ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid can react with the alcohol in the presence of acid, like in the presence of H2SO4, and it get convert into the ester. Ester is the sweet smelling compound which used in the making perfume, and it is also used in flavoring agent. Then student, we will discuss here about the spawnification reaction. This reaction is used for the formation of soap. So here we'll use the ester and make it react with the NaOH. So we will get back ethanol, but with ethanol we'll get the soap compound, that is sodium acetate. Then student, this sodium acetate we can get when acetic acid react with the NaOH, so it can convert into the sodium acetate and the water. So this sodium acetate is the soap compound of soap, which this reaction is used to make the soap. Then student will discuss here about the some of different reaction of the acetic acid. So because acetic acid is acid, so it react with the sodium carbonate and the sodium bicarbonate, so it will show the same property. It will form salt, that is a sodium acetate, water and the carbon dioxide, which we already discussed in the chapter number second, that is acid, base and the salt. So this is all about the property of the ethanol and the ethanoic acid. Thank you.